Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to remind you that Black Friday Cyber Monday is coming up fast. With the biggest sale of the year right around the corner, here's a few things you can do to make the most of it. First of all, if you're going to offer a sale collection instead of offering a store-wide sale, get that done as soon as possible. Building your sale collection well in advance will help you reduce stress when we get closer to Black Friday Cyber Monday, and knowing what products it will include will help you determine what to market in the coming weeks. While you're at it, consider installing a live chat app on your website. Having more open communication channels with your customers will help you ensure that your sale runs more smoothly and more effectively. Lastly, make sure your website is set up to use abandoned cart reminders. During the sale, there will be a lot of people clicking around from website to website, and having a way to recapture the ones that leave your site before completing a purchase can be a great way to improve your numbers. If you need some help preparing all of this, I encourage you to book a free strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.